Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to count the number of rows and stitches in single crochet. So this is the work which I have done single crochet. So you can pull your work little bit like this so that you can see the stitches easily. First row, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So total I have done 18 rows of single crochet. To see how many stitches, we will just pull in the sideways to see the stitches. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally 6 single crochet stitches and 18 rows. So this is how we have to see the number of rows just by extending your work little bit so that it will be easy to see the number of rows. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.